about another stock. Ekta is joining in to tell us about a pharma company that she's tracking in today's trading session. Ekta, tell us more about Divis Laboratory.
Well, yes, Divis Labs are a good set of numbers and it's reflecting really in terms of the stock performance. So the revenue growth was around 12% this quarter. It was in line with estimates. We had the margins which came in at around 34.3%, and that was versus estimates of around 32% and profits of over 660 odd crores, much better than what the street was anticipating. What really stood out this quarter was the performance operationally, where the margins came in at a multi-quarter high. It's the best since Q2 of FY23. Now, in terms of a couple of key takeaways from the conference call, they have indicated in terms of guidance that they would look at double-digit growth going forward for FY26 as well. They are seeing more requests for proposals and quotes to come through because of the Biosecure Act as well as China Plus One. Interestingly, they are not going to be working in terms of generics when it comes to GLP-1. So semaglutide is not an opportunity that Divis would be a part of, but they would be working with innovator companies when it comes to GLP-1. Cash on books remains high, 3,600 crores plus. Now, in terms of valuations, that's probably the only dampener because it's trading at over 60 times FY26 and over 50 times FY27. Now, a lot of the brokerages were quite positive in terms of the numbers. Jefferies maintains their hold. They say Q4 is largely in line with the balanced growth. They maintain a hold, however, on near-term patent challenges and high valuation. Goldman is neutral. They've raised their FY25-28 estimated EPS by up to 5% to factor in Q4. And Morgan Stanley, overweight with a target price of 7,225. They think the oral GLP-1 intermediate opportunity could be $100 to $175 million per year upon commercialization.
Right, Ekta, thanks a lot for that. That's about Divis Labs.